One of the issues that we have in Musescore seems to be with the copyright box at the bottom of the page. What you enter in at the setup is not easily put into multi-line. I looked at a lot of forums and things of that sort. What you want to do is go in and retrieve that text info. You can cut that out, go into your properties, and now using just even a staff text box, this may not be the best solution, but it does seem to work and you can manipulate it a bit more. So clearing that out and then copying and pasting in your copyright info that you saved from before. And it still puts it all into a solid line, but at least you can get into it and start placing your cursor at the end of lines, hit enter, and you can put it then into a lower line. You can do that multiple times. As you can see, this is several lines that it will end up with to try to fit it all. And then you can manipulate that text as you would with any other format. So changing the font, changing the size, centering it, kind of making it useful in the format that you need and want it to be just on that page one, which is generally how it's done with most scores anymore, that you just have copyright info on the page one. So hopefully that's a good fix and works in Musescore for you.